Guys, how are you? Welcome back to the channel. Okay, so I'm ready to decorate. She's not finished yet, but she's coming together, but I'm ready. So this video, I'm going to start my coffee table today. I'm going to kind of just, yeah, I did myself. I'm going to show you guys that I think, in my opinion, when it comes to fall decor, depending on your style, because I don't want to ruffle no feathers, depending on your style, you can go all out by bringing in the vibe or the thing that inspires you. Or for me, I want to keep my current pieces up, but just add little things in. And the things I'm going to add in is my blanket, candles, some more textures into the space, and different things like that. So stick around. You're going to see I'm going to be doing that really, really simple. And of course, flowers. I feel, because I have this wallpaper right here and everything that's surrounded is neutral, I feel compelled to use flowers to tie in little pieces of this into this area, because I don't have any of those colors in my pillars, right? I think I'd really love to work with the color plum. I think so, but I'm trying not to spend the money, so I'm going to do it that way. I'm going to do what I'm doing this way. But throughout my home, and this main level is really pretty much very neutral, and just using things that I already have and just taking out my blankets out of storage, getting new candles that kind of have that smell that I like. And I think for me, in this season, I love to have more, sorry guys, my nose itches, sorry. I love to have more, I don't want to say musky, that's a bad word, more strong scent in regards to my candle. Not necessarily pumpkin spice, but something just like, you know what I mean? And I went to our house and I got a few candles from them. I'm going to insert like a little clip because I made a video showing that, but I didn't like the way it looks, so I scrapped it. But I might insert a little footage of what the candles were and the amazing price point that I got it at. So let's start decorating. I already have my pot over there. I'm going to show you guys what I have, and then we're going to start decorating, keeping it simple. But keep in mind, you remember, not right now, but maybe in the new year, I'm going to get rid of this table. I've said it before, it's way too big for the space. It really is, and I think it throws off a lot. I think it throws off the space a lot. This table is extremely big, and as much as I love it, I'm okay saying goodbye to it. So let's decorate, okay? Hope you guys are doing well. Okay guys, so before I start the table, let's go over to the kitchen and create our floral arrangement. Listen, I bought this right here, and I'm gonna figure out how to use it. You stay here, baby. Here we go. So I bought a bunch of flowers. So I bought this little mixed bouquet. This by itself was like $12. I bought a few roses, bought a mixture of different eucalyptus. I bought this little green, I guess the stems. But I'm gonna do the eucalyptus in the shower and then create an arrangement to go on the coffee table. But I'm gonna go ahead and close this door because I'm here by myself and we ain't doing that. Hold on. You know what? I have an idea. I have these two woven ottomans outside. I think I'm gonna bring them in and use them in my fall decor. Oh, ideas. Is it just me, or sometime when you're home alone, you hear all the noises, all the squeaks and everything. I think I'm hearing all that today. I love being home by myself. Just give me a moment to just kind of create and be in my space, but I hate the fact that I hear every single thing. So let's go in the kitchen. I'm hearing things, I swear I am. Okay. Now that all the doors are locked, let's create our floral arrangement. Home Goods years ago. I love it because all the texture in it is really pretty. But I go back and forth. Sometimes I put this inside depending on the floral, depending on the arrangement and how I want to look. I want this to look really, I like when my, oh my gosh. I like when my arrangements are messy. I don't like it when it's neat and just look like, you know, I love a messy arrangement. So before I put this in here, I'm going to see what it looks like without it, okay? You know, so naturally this is too tall, so I need to cut it. And I know where I want it to be at, so I'm just gonna get the knife, the chopper. And I know this is not the right way, but I don't have, see that? Look how pretty that is. I wish it had more. I wish it had more pink though. So let me see if we can put this like in the middle. You know, like that. I wish it had more pink. I wish it had more pink, but it's okay. We gotta make it do what it do, right? And then I will use these. I'm going to use these to kind of give it more of a flair. You know, I'll get like a few. And this was $4. So I take like 2, right? And I just find where there's a gap and I just put it in. And I think you just give it a little bit of height. You know, a little bit of something. You know, look, it's a little bit of something, nothing crazy. This is the this is what I love about decorating, and even it's just whatever works for you. I don't think there's no wrong or right way, just find that balance. And if it being unbalanced doesn't make, if having it unbalanced makes you happy, then baby girl, do you, you know? Do you, honey? This is, look at that. This is really pretty. Now I'm gonna, I think I should add some eucalyptus to it. You know, I think I'm gonna do this one. Look. Oh, come on, Natty. Come on, Natty. Let's keep it messy. And listen, I know to others it might be a lot, but I like it full. And it's gonna give the table such a wow factor to it. I'm gonna show it to you when I'm finished. And I'm just literally just putting it in where I wanna. Okay. Now I'm gonna add the water to it, and I'm gonna have the plant food to the water. So now that I have my arrangement completed, now I'm gonna start doing. This table is so glossy and it gets dusted very easily. So I'm just gonna wipe it down with a microfiber rag. It has a few scratches on it, but I do love it. But again, remember, it's oversized, so it's gonna go eventually. But I do love the color, so I think even when I replace, it's gonna be something like that. So, all right, guys, let's get into this decorating thing. So because the table is so big, I try to use a tray to kind of help bring in the center a little bit and let my floral arrangement pop more. So I use this gold tray I got from Restoration Hardware, and then I bring in the vase. And I love to design from the center outwards. So even just this by itself, I would be comfortable leaving it alone. But because it's fun, I want to be more full, I'm going to add some more pieces to it. Listen, I'm a big believer in using books to give you a height, books to give you a texture. I know you guys can really see the books that I'm using, but these are books that I've had before. You can also get your books from the thrift store and just flip the covers around. Now I'm adding my diffuser. It's a little bit blurry. There we go. So again, more books to give me height. I'm using books just to add my things to it to take the focus off the table and bring more color and texture into the space. If I can share one decor tip with you guys, try and use unique objects that you're going to put on top of your books that can use to start conversation. Just something different. You don't got to always run to Home Goods. Go to your thrift store and just find unique pieces that just bring in so many different. Okay guys, here's my coffee table styling for the fall season. Now, again, as I mentioned before, these are all the things that I've kept on my table yearly. All I'm adding right now is just a fall scent in regards to my candle, which is from our house, which is the white and white scent. Then I also have my diffuser, which is Jo Malone. I forgot what the scent is, and I got it from Nordstrom Rack, really more cost effective from that store. Okay, so it's simple, and that's why I feel like you don't have to disrupt your current lifestyle or your current decor to accommodate each season. No, for Christmas, that's a whole different conversation. But honestly though, if you don't want to, you don't have to. It's just that I just love Christmas coming from the Caribbean. This is it. It's beautiful, it's simple. In regards to my sofa, these are pillow covers that I've had for years that I've gotten both from. This one is from Restoration Hardware. I think this pillow itself is from Home Goods. And then I have three different sizes right here, along with this blanket from Target. It's really warm and cozy. I also have 3 different sizes right here. I have this blanket right here from Target as well. There's a dip right here and the thing's messing me up. But honestly, this is it. I'm hoping I can do a full fall tour soon once I get the circle mirror for right here, and then kind of change this out. But I really want to focus just on the coffee table. Because this is an oversized coffee table, I really wanted to have all 4 sides have something, and then in the middle is my wow factor. I'm looking for a box for the remote. If not, we can just put it right on here because we have storage right here. But I'm just seeing, just as a vibe, it works. You're coming right here, you look at the TV. I love it. It's simple. It works well, and it's another way that you can just use books to elevate. Most of these books you've seen, right? You've seen them at different stores. I've gotten a lot of mine on clearance from Pottery Barn. Alright guys, that's all I got for today. I'm going to keep the decor with me coming. I want to show you guys my entryway. That's going to be the next video, and then going to be a tour of the main level, and then also I'm going to bring you upstairs and show you the, what is that called? What is it called? I'm going to show you how it's decorated. I forgot what it's called. Not the stairway, you know what I mean? That. Then I'm going to take it to the basement. So for the next few weeks, it's pretty much going to be decorated with me. You know what I mean? So follow along for this journey. I hope you guys are being inspired. I'm also thinking about ideas for Christmas. Call me crazy. But I think because of what I do, it's good to get it out early so you guys can find inspiration and ask me the questions you guys have. So